So first thing that you need to do is drag on the clips. I'll use this clip as my background and this clip as the character that I want to pop out. So what I want to do first is freeze the first frame, drag it on top of it, resize it to fit the background's length. The next thing that you need to do is upscale it and press remove PG. Now this background removal is okay for CapCut, but if you want a higher quality one, you need to go to a site called remove.pg and remove it from there and upscale it using any upscaler. I have already upscaled this image, so I will just use this, but you can use the steps I have told you before. Now this is my character that is upscaled. Now the first thing you need to do is remove it from the scene and set a transform keyframe. As for this image, you need to scale it up. Next, you want to drag it up a bit and move about 4 frames. Let's see, I'll say 6 frames is good enough. You can choose whether you want to do it for 6 frames or 8 frames, it's up to you. For the sake of this tutorial, I'll just keep it short. Not just do 6 frames, but you can do if you want. Okay, so this is the keyframe part done. Next thing you want to do, if you see the stutters, it's basically because of the keyframes, so make sure to fix them. But to fix the stutter, all you need to do is like make sure that the keyframes actually move. So this is a common error that a lot of people face, so this is the solution to this. Next thing, you scale it up. You add a shake. So go to effects, search for shake, then add shake over here. But reduce the size. Then change the intensity to about 20 and speed to about 10. So you can see it clearly makes a difference.